Hi everyone, welcome to Josh Moses Kitchen. Right from my tree. I'm preparing a lot of dishes of apple. Watch and see, wait and see. Let's go to Josh Moses Kitchen. Let's make an apple pie, crumble, or a cake, all three in one. How you feel it? Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Josh Moses Kitchen. Thinly sliced apple, lemon juice, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, combine well. In a bowl, flour, baking powder, salt, combine well. To a bowl, crack eggs using a whisk. Whisk the egg. Whisk for 2 minutes. Sugar. Combine well. Let the sugar dissolve. Milk. Whisk and combine. Melted butter. Combine well. To a strainer, add the flour. Combine now. The marinated apple, combine well. Take a cake mold lined with parchment paper. Put the cake batter to the cake mold. Get the batter to all the corners. To a blender, flour, sugar, cold butter, the sugar and the butter, the crumbs we just made, spread it on the top. Covered with the crumbs we made. place in the oven. Let's remove from the oven. It's already cold. Now remove from the mold. Remove the parchment paper also. Let's cut. Freshly baked cake is ready. Let's taste it. Nice buttery flavor, and the cinnamon from the apple. Very nice. Not dry. The crumbs on the top is the highlighter. It's so good. If you like this recipe, please try it. And if you like it, please comment, share, whichever way you like. If it's a negative or positive comments, I'm more than happy. So I can rectify myself and get into the next level. So when you eat, you enjoy and eat. Joe's Mom's Kitchen way, it's my way. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joe's Moses Kitchen. Bye. Come back with a new recipe.